Hey, shoppers, Christoph Trapp here, talking about the TOTO washlet right here on the toilet. As you can see, comes with a remote, so you can have these different settings when it comes to how you want to clean things up. Pretty self-explanatory. It basically tells you, this is one that goes straight up. This kind of spreads apart a little bit, and that's a little, I don't want to say stronger, but wider, I guess. Here you can set the different strengths as well. The seat is heated. You can turn that off on the back on the remote, so it works pretty well. And you can also change how much water you actually want to be dispersed as you're using the bidet. Other things, it does come heated. You can turn that off, as I mentioned. Overall, I'm a big fan of it. So let's see if I can kind of demonstrate this here without it going off. But basically, if you turn it on and then you have it come out, so it doesn't work actually when you're not sitting on it. So that's good. But basically what happens is this thing comes out and then it sprays up. So overall, like the product. Takes a little bit getting used to the way you sit on the toilet. It's a little bit of a different setup, but overall, definitely a fan of it. We put the remote right here, and it's right there by the toilet. So check it out.